Some important polymers and their monomers. This is very, very important. Usually in the questions of polymers, you are either asked to write the monomer units or the polymer units, or you are asked to write the whole reaction showing the polymerization. Okay, on the left hand side, I am writing the monomer units using which the polymer is formed, and on the right hand side, that means after polymerizing, I am writing the polymers. Now your first is neoprene. All these are polymer chemistry terms that you need to learn. Neoprene, which is also called as polychloroprene. Now chloroprene is this compound which can also be written as, if I start numbering from here, 1 2 2 chloro 1 3 butadiene. This compound, if chloro is not there, then this chain is 1 3 butadiene, which we have already done in the previous videos. Now on the second position you have the substituent chloro, so I write 2 chloro 1 3 butadiene. How do I polymerize this? I straight away write this monomer unit as it is first without any double bond. You know that double bonds are removed because you join one bond here and one bond on the right and you put N here for the formation of polymer. Now if you see, all the carbon atoms except these two have satisfied their valencies. So how do I satisfy the valency of these two carbon atoms? By putting a double bond in between. So this will be my polymer neoprene or polychloroprene. Now in short, how you can remember is that whenever you have alternate double bonds like this, double, single and double, remove both the double bonds and put a double bond in between. You can remember it like that. Now second is polyisoprene, which is also the natural rubber. This is not the rubber that we usually use. This is the rubber that we obtain from nature directly. Now the monomer unit of this particular natural rubber from the compound from which it is formed is isoprene, which can also be called as 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Second position we have the methyl substituent, and this chain is 1,3-butadiene chain. In the same way like that of neoprene, I draw the whole chain removing the double bonds. Removing the double bonds, and what do? I remove these two double bonds and put a double bond in between. Fine. So this is how you form polyisoprene, or you can call it as natural rubber. So what you have to do is, again I'm repeating, you have to remove these two double bonds and put a double bond in between. But do not forget to write this N. Okay, polyvinyl chloride. We know what vinyl chloride is. We have already done in the chapters of organic chemistry. Now polyvinyl chloride, as I've already discussed, we carry out the polymerization around the double bond CH2CH, this much, and this substituent Cl was present on this carbon atom. So I draw it here and I write N. This is my PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Similarly, Teflon, which is polytetrafluoroethene, instead of the 4 hydrogen atoms, I have put the fluorine atoms. So simply just like you draw the structure of the polymer polyethene, similarly you can draw for Teflon CF2, CF2 and N. Fine. Polyacrylonitrile. This is your acrylonitrile. Again, I'm going to carry out my polymerization around the double bond CH2, CH, and I had this substituent on this carbon CN and N number of times. This is how you're going to carry out polymerization. This side are the monomers and this side are the polymers. If you're asked to write to show polymerization, then you will write the whole equation.